are back, and it is the first day of Wigmas. Let me tell you something. On the first day of Wigmas, my wig baes gave to me a collab with the Queen of Sheba. You'll see. So we are back, guys. Thank you so much for joining us again. I am back with a collaboration with XOXOSheba. Okay, let me tell you something about her. I am one of those like stalker watchers of all my faves, super stalker-esque. And I literally put her on. If you guys don't know her, I'm sure you guys do, but I put her on just to listen to her. I just like her voice. I don't know what it is. And I don't know how many of her subscribers say that to her. Because I can just like, I don't care what wig she doing. I'm not coming for the wig. I'm coming all the way for her. She's beautiful. And she has such a real down-to-earth, homegrown way of getting to these wigs, honey. And I really appreciate that. Like, I want you guys to go over to her channel after this and let her know that I sent you. Bust down, throw crowns in the Mammy Tab comments, because she's a queen, okay? So let's get on into this unit. My loves, we are coming in full glam to give you guys Outre Laurel. Now, what movie was there in Laurel? And it's one of my favorite, and it came out on Christmas Day. I'm not sure, but I'm sure. So I am back with this unit from Outre, okay? And this is the perfect hairline collection. We already know we love them. And I am coming through with Miss Laurel, and I have Laurel in DR2 Ginger Mammy Tatin Brown, okay? So I want to give you guys something cute and sexy to look at. Now, full disclosure, if you guys are wondering, I got my turban from cuffedandcrown.com. Cuffed and Crown, you can follow them on IG. They have all the cute little turbans and everything like that. All my accessories are from zarzargalore.com. And let's get on into Laurel. So, all right, so I'm really going to take my time with her and get her all the way together. So I hope you guys are ready. She's beautiful. Already, look at the color. It's like a red. It's ginger brown. Oh, look at that in there. So let's get into this. Are y'all for real? Y'all see this? Oh, y'all ain't have it like this. Oh, I'm feeling it. All right. Unit has 2 combs in the front, okay? 1 comb in the back. The adjustable straps Wakanda Forever, as well as our favorite band, okay? You know we love those. And let's just go on ahead. I want you guys to get into this lace though, baby. Look at that cap construction. Now, this is what they do. They put this like netted, like it's supposed to be like a silk base situation underneath the lace, right? And that gives you a more seamless part. It's supposed to look more natural. So we're going to throw her on and see what she's working with. All right, guys, we are back with Outre's Laurel. Now, I know that this is Laurel, but I like Laurel better, okay? Because she seems like a round the way girl, and you know how much we love them. So I'm just going on through with my Bold Hold Liquid Gold and laying this unit down. Now, this unit is currently going for just under $50 on most wig sites. So she's just under 50, and that's not too bad. Like, I think that this unit is completely... it's in the right price range, okay? The hair is nice. It doesn't give you that wiggy look. And it does tangle a bit, but not to the point where you should be alarmed. It's a longer unit, so, and it's curly. So that's par for the course. Now, I'm just going through and getting rid of this lace. I did have to tint her, and I did that off camera with my Ebon lace tint. Okay, no judgment. And I'm just going to go on through and make sure mother is laid down, because we want to give her as seamless and out the scalp application as possible. Now, this unit is relatively big head friendly. I felt super safe in her though, because it has that extra security with that band. Now, that band is everything, guys, like literally. this unit can absolutely be worn glueless, but I do suggest that you glue her down. And that's only because you want the most seamless effect as possible. I mean, this hair is stunning. So I'm obsessed with this unit, but that's not surprising because Outre is having an entire year. See, 2020 might have been something for everybody else, but Outre said not for us. 2020 is just fine, okay? And they're coming through and providing us with a reason for the season, okay? Look at this unit. This lace is insane. So I just wanted to give some different looks. Let's just pull her on up. Just a cute little vibe for Christmas. What I like, it's not just the hairline. The way that they do this lace to make it look so effortless is probably one of my favorite things ever. Like, we don't deserve that. Okay, so true tea is this unit is fire. But we're not surprised because most of their units are fire. This unit is absolutely positively stunning. I came through. You could do her in several different looks. She really does provide all the love. If I'm not your queen, good night. Before I even put this on, I knew that for my very first unit, I wanted to do Wigmas. I wanted to start Wigmas off with a bang, right? And she's Big Bang Theory. She is so fire. Like, I knew that I wanted her to come through and I wanted to give effortless love and glamour. And that's exactly what this unit does. It is super fire. The hairline is everything. She's love, sex, and magic, okay? And I just think that Outre did not come to play with us in 2020, okay? Everybody else did. Everybody else came to play with us. Outre did not. Now, I really am into this. Like, super into this, the way this hair feels, the way that the length of her is beautiful. She is just as effortless. I did a review on Charisma and I'll leave it up here. And I loved Charisma. But I love this color. She's a reason for the season. She's absolutely positively a reason for the season. Is you going somewhere? Are you in a state that is open and you can go ahead and hit the streets? This is the one. If you're looking for something easy, that's super versatile and relatively inexpensive, she is the one. Okay? Like, she is the one. Like, I don't know what else y'all want. Like, what do y'all want? Tell me. Look at that. What you want? Oh, listen. Bust down. We are on our very first day of Wigmas. I'm super excited about this collaboration. I'm super excited about 8 days of collaborations, and I hope you guys are as well. And we came through in full glam to give you guys love, sex, and magic. So I hope you guys enjoy my video as well as XOXOSheba's video. And you guys bust down, subscribe to our channels as a collective, hers and mine. Comment. We need you guys to comment. Tell us how you feeling, what you like, what you don't like. We want to hear it, okay? Like, I want to hear it all. So, happy holidays. Come back tomorrow for Wigmas Day 2. And I hope to see you beautiful mugs later.